Hi, this is Ben, and I am looking at the SinkShroom sink strainer and hair catcher. This is a strainer that can go down into your sink. This is what normally would be down there. This is one of those clicking, push down, push up sort of stoppers, but we found this is just clogging up too quickly, and we have to unscrew it, pull it out, and clean it out a lot. So that leaves us with leaving this open, but then things are getting down in the sink, toothpaste caps down there, and everything else. Hopefully this will solve that issue. So the design is interesting. It's hollow on the inside, lots of little holes, little spots for the hair to be caught up, but plenty of holes for the water to still strain through. So I can imagine this will do a pretty good job. This does not stop the water from going out, so this cannot be used to stop up the sink if you want to fill it up. So this is only a strainer. And again, it's flexible rubber. It'll hold its shape, so it comes in and out pretty easily. There, that's just the grime that's already down in our sink. So we'll leave this in here a couple days and see what we can come up with. Okay, now I'm back. We've had this in the drain now for a good week or so. Put it through its paces, brushing teeth, shaving, brushing hair, and it might be a little gross, but let's see what we've collected. All right, so that's what's been collected and did not go down the sink. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, so I just used a bit of toilet paper and just grabbed all that stuff off of it, ran it through some water, and it's good as new. Took me about a minute. I'm real happy with how this works. I think we can let it go quite a while, and the hair does collect on these little hooky things, and it allows plenty of space for the water to run through, even if it's all clogged up. I'm real happy with this. I think it works great.
Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.